Hello, welcome back, dear student. Today we are going to start this Unit 3, Chapter number 6, that is Word Processing Tool. And the tool that we are going to use is MS Word, Microsoft Word. The basic things we are going to learn in this chapter number 6. We have already learned MS Word in our previous classes. We have started learning from class 3, 4, and we have already learned this MS Word. It's very easy, and just we are going to revise a little bit. So I've already uploaded your chapter PDF format in our Google Classroom. This is our chapter Word Processing Tool MS Word Basics. Word processor. What is word processor? Word processor is nothing. It's a software package where we are going to do our editing work or preparing some document or writing a mail. Like that, we are going to use this type of software. There are different type of word processor: Notepad, Google Document, and OpenOffice is a free software, and one of the most popular one is Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word everyone use, and this file format in every office or common people they use this Microsoft Office and all. So if commonly most of the people commonly we are using this one, that's why it's a basic software, basic need that everyone must learn how to use it. If someone is sending you a letter in a Microsoft Word, then you need to know how to edit it or how to open or how to do some basic things you need to know. So why this Microsoft Word is very popular? Because I already told you, like, generally most of the people, most of the office and at home also, everyone is using this Microsoft Word, that is Microsoft Office, and there are different type of version. There are different type of version from starting from a basic Word, usually not much like older one. I will not tell from Word 2007, 2010, 2013, and there is Microsoft Office 360. Like that, there are different type of versions of Office, but similarly, all the content and all the tools are similar with each other. Only some bug fix and some major changes is not there. So if you know how to use in Windows 2007 Office, you will know how to use in 10 or 13 or maybe a latest one. So let's see Microsoft Office 2010. Microsoft Office is an integrated software package which is developed by Microsoft Corporation of US, and Microsoft Word 2010 is a word processor. So in this Microsoft Office, there are other different type of tools, including Excel, PowerPoint, MS Access. Like that, there are different kind of Note. There are different other software packages included under this Microsoft Office. When you buy a Microsoft Office from Microsoft company, you will get all these packages, not only the one word processor like MS Word. So here we are going to learn how to type a letter, document, a preparing table, or many things. We can prepare many things in Microsoft Word. So what are the update from Windows, the Word 2007 features of MS Word? Which are those update? And so in this Word, we are going to learn via writing letter, formatting, editing, merging document, printing, etc. We're going to learn all this one again. I think we have already learned some of the basic thing most probably all this merging document and all in previous classes. So first one is customize ribbon. You know there is a ribbon in Microsoft Word. We can customize this ribbon and Office Backstage View. So in these features, there is a file button in MS Word. You can click directly and it's more distinct here. This file button, you can click here directly and all the background tasks of your document, you can do it here and you can do uh, the function which already added in this file button, and it's easier and faster to access all those commands. And new navigation pane. New navigation pane, it's more quick, easier to find drag and drop heading or content document. You can search in this area and you can do the editing about the document also. Next one is smart RR template. What are those template? Template are those nothing. It's a pre-designed format which is already included in MS Word, and we can use this smart art template to give more graphic design in our Word. And recover and save Word. Recover and save Word means when you are working something and it's not safe, when something happen or hang or when the light turn off immediately, when you turn on your computer again, it will save as a unsafe word and it will recover your data and it will be there and you need to save it. So suddenly if something happen, it will save as a, it will recover automatically. Next one is protected view. If you are uh, transferring a data which is you want to protect the data from an outsider or third person, then you can protect your data. You can keep and password protected your file in MS Word so that your document is secure. So that protected view or protected secure and they cannot edit. If they can view also they cannot edit your file. Like that there is a protected view possible in MS Word, and the screenshot tool is integrated in Microsoft Office already. In insert tool there is a screenshot tool, and remove of background images and all, it's already, these features are already included with this new Office. And in this Microsoft Office 10, simultaneously two person or multiple person can work together on a same file by using cloud storage and all. We have learned about cloud computing, and that is cloud storage. Like that there are different features in this new Microsoft Office 2010. The latest one is previous. I told you that Office 360 is not 360, it's 365. New version of this word art is also there. Word art you already know, it's a pre-design words design. You can type your own word by using your choice of design. How to start this Microsoft Word? Here I'm using Windows 8, that's why I don't have this start button. To start this Microsoft Word, go to the start button, click on that start button menu, and all program Microsoft Office, and next is open that Microsoft Office Word 2010, and it will launch your Microsoft Word. So here are the parts of Microsoft Word. These are called ribbon. These are called ribbon, and you can hide this ribbon, minimize or maximize ribbon. Here they have given. ribbon minimize button. Here you can click and you can minimize this ribbon button also. And this is tab, title bar, quick access toolbar, editing tools. These are tools for editing. Menu bar or tab name. These are menu bar or tab name. Title bar already told. And formatting tools. Formatting tools means when you type something here in your text area, you can, if you want to format it, if you want to change the design or color or alignment or maybe other, so you are going to use this formatting tool. And text style tool. Text style tool is going to change the style of your text or document. Edit, find and replace here. And next one, left margin button. This is the left margin button. You have to set your margin according here. You can change this margin setting also in page layout tab. And this is right margin button, tab setting button, horizontal ruler, vertical ruler, and this is horizontal scroll bar, and this is vert vertical scroll bar. This is status bar. You can see the status of your document here in the status bar, how many words or how many pages are there. And this is view button, and this is zoom slider, page movement button. You have, if you can move page up to down without touching this vertical scroll bar. And view button is similar from here, view tab. And zoom slider is easy that you can zoom in and out your document. So this Microsoft Word interface. Now we are going to learn what is the interface mode of the Microsoft Word. Title bar. Title bar is nothing. It's the bar which will show you the name of your or the file name of that document. It's title bar. And ribbon and tabs. What are those ribbons and tab? Tab is a group, is a categorized group. In a home tab, if you go to home tab, there are different commands which is included in home tab, and in insert tab also there are different commands which is included in insert tab. Like that, there are different tools which are grouped together and put it inside this tab. So these groups are into the tab. In home tab, there are different type of group. Let me explain in MS Word what is group and tab more clear. So these are called tab: home tab, insert tab, design tab, page layout tab. Like that, these are tab. And this is called clipboard group, font group, paragraph group, and style. These are packed together, which are similar characters or similar function, which are grouped together, is called group. And command appear within each group as mentioned above. Now next is file tab. Let's go to the file tab. File tab consists of this open. If you want to save as, if the file is already saved, and if you want to save in another name, then you can save it here as save as, print preview. If you want to see what is going to print in your paper, you can change the printing setting and all this type of settings you can do from file tab. These are called file tab command. And home tab. Let's go to the home tab. Look here. Home tab usually contain the most common features of Word. Means the most common thing that usually we use all the time. These are grouped into this home tab. And there is a small arrow. Look here. This is called dialog box launcher. Like this. If you click on here, look here. If you click on this small arrow, it's a dialog box launcher. You can click on here and you can change the setting and all. You can change the paragraph setting as well, and you can change the font setting, default font style and all. In advanced, you can go and whatever you change it, you can do it from here. And if you want to change this one, body Times New Roman, Times New Roman, and usually in 14, set as default. Okay, from my computer I have set this Times New Roman 14 text size as a default. I usually use this font and this font size. So like this we can do all the settings from dialog box launcher and we can do it. So let's see about ruler. This ruler, if the ruler is not there, you can click on this. I'm using this window Office 2013, so the ruler toggle button is not there, so you need to go here view and select or deselect this. If you want to take it out, then you need to unselect this ruler, and if you want to, so if you want to see the ruler, then you need to tick this ruler so that you can see the ruler and how much margin or gap is there. And if you want any help, if you want any help about this Microsoft Word, you can click on here and you can ask about anything about Word. And here the last one, this is status bar. In this status bar, it will show if your document is safe or how many pages, how many words, how many about information about this document. It will show it here. And the next one is view buttons. There are view buttons over here also, and it is same with the view tab which is available here in views group. So there are 5 type of view, that is print layout view. When we select this one, it will show how it is going to print in that paper. And I'll tell you about the paper selection and margin selection and all. And full screen reading view. In reading mode, it will be view like this so that you can read very easily and all. And web layout view. This web layout view means it will show you how it is going to appear in browsers such as Internet Explorer, Google Chrome and all. There are different browsers. It will show you how it's going to appear in web browser. And outline view. Outline view. Outline view is nothing. It will show you the outline, and it's upon the user that how is going to view the document. And draft view is there another one. Draft view, this is also, it won't show any margin or anything like, but um, but for your working purpose it's better if we type or if we make the document in this print layout view. Most of the people they used to work in this print layout view, so that how is going to appear in your paper when you print it out. So it's depend upon the user how he is going to work in this document. And this is quick access toolbar. In this quick access toolbar there are only 3, so you can add or remove this quick access bar depending upon your choice. If you want to save or if you want to insert other new document, open file, like that, if you want to print a quick print and redo undo, if you want this kind of thing, and if you want to add more command and all, you can edit by your choice. And minimizing and maximizing the ribbon. This ribbon, the one which we have here, if you don't want to see this, or if you want to hide it, then you can hide this by clicking on this button, collapse the ribbon. So it will hide the ribbon like this, or it will hide the tools for the tape. If you want to use the tools, then you can tape on like this, which one you want to use in that tab, and you can use the command. So I'll tell you how to make a page setup. This one is very important. When you open a document, when you want to type something in MS Word, first you need to do is page setup. Before typing any other further document or any type, before typing any other document in your page, you need to first step is you need to set up your page first. So before for setting up the page, go to page layout, select the paper size. Mainly we used to do in A4 size. That's very common. We will select this A4 size. And orientation, how I'm going to use this in landscape mode or portrait mode. I have to select this one, and margin normal, narrow, like that. With your requirement you can select it. You can select narrow, then it will keep a narrow space or narrow margin with your page. So like this, first of all, this column is, if you want two column or one column, three column, like that. In newspaper and all, you used to made in different column. It used to come in multiple column, that like that. If you want only one column, then you'll select only one. So we learn how to collapse this ribbon, and when you select outside from this one ribbon, and it will hide automatically, so that you can hide this, minimize and maximize the ribbon. Creating and saving, or closing and opening a document. Creating a document is very easy. Creating a document is go to file and new. When you select new, it will create a new document. You can select the template from here, or you can select the blank one. This is 2013 Word, but it's similar with, very much similar with 2010 Word. So you can select the template from here, and if you want make a resume, you can select a template from here. Let's see. Okay, create. Okay, it's been downloading. Let's see. Okay, we got a template here. So you need to replace this one with your picture, and you need to replace all these files, all this phone number, website, and all hobbies and all skills. You need, this is a template, you need to replace with your information, like that. You can create, or if you want to create a blank one, then you can select the blank and you can create it. If you want to save it, for saving purpose, it's very important. Like for saving, okay, let me select this one. For saving, go to file and save. If you are saving it in your C drive, okay, I was working for school, that's why. Okay, let's save here. Okay, I was working for school annual exam and all. My computer, browse. Okay, don't save your document in C drive. Don't save your document in C drive. This document libraries and all, this one is in C drive, so you need to save it in other drive. You need to save it in other drive. Like let's say here. Here you can save it. Don't save it in C drive. I'm saving this C drive because I am using this Google Drive folder. I'm saving it in C drive, Google Drive folder. So when I save it simultaneously, it will upload it in Google Drive, and it will keep update, and I can access that file from anywhere. I don't need to carry that file in pen drive and all. So like that, I'm using this type of saving, and you need to save like that. If you want to use your Google Drive, you have to create a folder and link with your folder, uh, and your computer should be connected with the internet. Every time you save it, then it will automatically save in your Google Drive and you can access it from anywhere. And uh, if the file is already saved, and if you want to change the name or if you want to change the format, go to save as, click the folder where you want to save. Let's select anywhere now. Let's save in desktop, and here you can save directly as PDF. When you type something, and the one which we are sending you questions and all for your exam, we are saving it like this. After typing your question and all, or after typing your document, you can save directly as PDF from here. Select the file type as PDF and save it. Let's see. We don't have anything here. The end. Okay, it's open. It's a blank one. Select file type PDF, and let's select doc one. Yes, replace. Look here, this is in PDF format. So you can directly save here from PDF, and closing and opening the document. So I'll close this one, close, save it in desktop. I don't want this one, don't save. Look here, that PDF file is here. Directly we can save it from this Word. And how to open and how to close, you have already seen how to close and how to open it. If it is already open, you can directly double click on this one, and if it is not open, and you can type this WinWord and enter in Windows Run, and it will open this window, Microsoft Word. You can click like this also. You can select it from recently file, and you can open your file. Next is typing a text out here. By using your keyboard, you can type it your document out here by using this all these features, alignment and all. So what is the next point? Opening a document we have already learned. And let's say let's make a file. Look here, if you want to keep this in the center of your document, let me change this one to normal. If you want to keep this in the center of your document, don't go like this by spacing or by tab. By looking at your margin, don't go by tab or don't go by spacing. Just select your file or select your document or select your text, and you have to select this center align. It will automatically center align, and you can change this one and you can make it like much bigger with your choice. After this, let me put a border, page border. Okay, let me use this one, page border. Okay, like this. I added a page border and page color. Okay, let's leave it. We don't have. Okay, Rama. Let's see how this is going to print in our A4 size. Print preview is very important. Before printing your document, you need to see how is it appear in your A4 size paper. Is there any lack of spacing and all? You can see the alignment and everything in your print preview. Go to this print section and it will preview your document like this. So if the alignment is okay, then you can directly print from here and do the setting from here, which printer you want to print. And you can see out here which paper and which orientation is that, and how many, or if there is multiple page, and you can put your page number here like this. And shortcut is for printing is Control and P. This is shortcut. If you don't go here also, if when you press Control plus P from keyboard, it'll go to that print preview and printing stay interface. So I'll summarize again the printing step. First of all, you need, before printing also, you can change this paper setting page setup later on, but it's better when you do before typing anything in your document. You need to set up your paper size first, orientation, margin and all, and alignment. You need to check the alignment. And after going to the printer section, you need to check your number of copies here, how many copies you want to print. And or if there is multiple page, then you can type your custom number of page, and you can print that only that page number, and printed one side only, both side only, according to the printer you can set up this one. And orientation is very important, landscape or portrait mode. And paper size, generally we use A4 size, that's why it's already selected in A4 size, and I have already made it changes in before also. Custom margin and all, you can change the margin over here according to your needs. So I have added this one, quick preview, quick print. When next point is quick print. Quick print means when you are without checking print preview also, directly you want to print, you know that my document is okay and my alignment are okay. If you want to print directly in your default printer means the printer which you are connected regularly and it's been printing, and there is a default printer in your computer, you need to set that one. You need to connect with your printer, and you can set up that one default printer. And when you click on this quick access toolbar, and there is a quick print, select this one, add it in a quick access toolbar. And when you click directly here, it will automatically print in my default printer, that is HP LaserJet 3020. This is my default printer, and it will directly print out here. So look here, I didn't connect my printer right now, so it's trying to print my document. If I don't want to print, then I'll cancel that. I'll cancel this document. When my printer is connected, then it will automatically print this command. So I need to cancel this one if I am not going to print. Okay, cancel it. Deleting the status. Okay, delete it. Okay, it's been deleted. Now, when I connect with my printer, it will not print. So it's like this. Right now, closing your document. Closing your document, you can click directly in this cross over here at the top corner, and you can type F control alt plus F4 or control plus W. It's in your textbook also, you can check that one. If I want to exit my MS Word, you need to save it first. You can click on this directly. If I want to take it out, I'll take it out. Just save also, take it out. Look, save it. Okay, it's already did you check the status bar over here? It's saving. So like that, there are 5 words. Page 1 of 1 means there are one page, and it's in that one. Okay, let me tell you this one. Okay, look here, 2 of 2 and 1 of 1. There are 2 pages, and my cursor is in page number 1. It's the meaning of this one is I have two pages in my document and I am in page number one. That my cursor where I'm working is I am in page number one. And when I used to work in page number two, then if two of two means I have two pages and I'm working in page number two. So for closing, Alt plus F4 or Control plus W. If it is not saved, then save it and exit. If it is you don't want to save it, then don't save. I want to save it, that's why save, and it'll close automatically. It'll close your document. Oh, okay, I'll tell you what is the difference between this Alt F4 and Control plus W. If you press, okay, I'll open that file. Okay, I have changed something. Let me change something. When I press Alt plus F4, it'll ask me to save. Save, and directly it will close the program. It will close the MS Word. And let me change something. And if I press Control plus W, then it will change only my file. It will not close the program. It will close the file and it will not close the program. So according to your choice, you can do this one if you want to exit the program, or if you want to exit only your file, and you can work again another one. So editing a document. We need a document to edit. Moving our mouse, you will know you can directly click by using this mouse pointer, and you can point it wherever you want like this, and you can move by using your this one cursor, or no, this arrow key. Cursor is that blinking line, and this arrow key, by using this arrow key foresight, you can move in all direction, and you can use this page up, page down, home button, and end button. You can move your cursor and you can edit your document with your choice. Inserting a text is, you have to be connected with the keyboard. If you are using a laptop, then it's already connected, and if you are using a desktop, you need a working keyboard, and you can type there by using that keyboard. Now let's see the next one, moving with keyboard. You need to choose this one, the arrow key, up down page, home page, end of the page. When your cursor is in the line, if you want to move it the end of the line, then you can press this end button. If you want to go in the beginning, then press home button. Here these are the important one. You need to by heart this one. If you practice it, you'll remember it. Next point is inserting text. Let me copy this one, some dummy text, some text, copy and insert it in our Word file. Okay, I'll take some more. Okay, first one is typing text over existing text. If you want to replace another one, you can type it. Look here, I don't know what this word is. If I want to replace it, you can select like this and type over it. Type over that existing one. Say let's replace this one with inserted. I have turned on the cap lock. That is why it's in cap letter. and replacing selected text as you type, that is the one. And if there is a missing text, you can type it like this. Put your cursor over there, and you can move your cursor with your arrow key also, and move where at your location, and you can type it over there. And using click and type to insert the text, by moving this arrow or by clicking with the mouse, you can type it in that area. Insert in overtype mode. Over typing the file, the one which I have did earlier. Insert and replace text, this one you can do it in find and replace also. By using this find and replace also, you can do for inserting a text, over typing, to show the demonstration. I have made some content here just by copy paste. Okay, now inserting a text, by directly clicking or bringing your cursor like this, you can type text, or you can type like this, or you can select the document like this. You can select the area, and you can replace that word or text. And another one is over typing features. Over typing, you can click on the status bar, and over type you can select from here, or if it is not working from here, then you can go to file, option, advanced setting, and look here, use the insert key to control over type mode. You have to tick this one, use over type mode. Okay, let's select this one, over type mode. Before, let's type here, let's type something here. Okay, the name of my school, area of, look, this is with this one. Select this option, advanced mode, use over type mode. Okay, when I select this one, it will delete the previous text which is already there. The look here, if you do not want to use this feature here, look how inconvenience is this one. When I space, or when I do space bar also, it delete my text. So it's very inconvenient to use these features. So if you want to use this feature, then you can activate that one, or if you don't want it, just disable that one. Okay, no, option, advanced, and select this two. Use the insert key to control over typing mode, and use over typing mode, and select these two. And okay, now let me see. Now that effect is not being activated. look here, the name of my school is like this. You can use this over typing mode, or it's your choice, it's user choice. And selection of text, selection of text is very important, and it is very easy. If you want to select this paragraph, or if you want to select a sentence, you can just directly drag like this by holding your left mouse button like this. If you want to select this text, then you can just hold your left button mouse and you can drag till where you want, and you can do this from below also or above also, from left to right, anywhere you want to go. And by clicking this, if you want to select only one word, then double click over that word. If you triple click it, select the whole paragraph or sentence. Look like this. And look here, if I am doing selection only a sentence, then press Ctrl key and press this left mouse button. You have to hold your control button from your keyboard and click the sentence you wanted. I'll demonstrate again. Hold and press the control key, and with your left mouse button click on the sentence you want to select like this. It will select the required sentence for selecting a sentence between your paragraph. And the very easy thing, the common way is drag and selecting is the common way, and you can select by using the shift key also. Press the shift key button and you can move the arrow key up and down. I'll demonstrate here. Okay, my cursor is here, and when I press the shift key, if I go up arrow key, it will select like this. If I go down arrow key, it will deselect again. If I start from here, then I'll go to downwards, and left to right also you can move like this. So this type of selections are there. You can check it from your textbook and you can practice. Deleting a text. Deleting a text is very important. You can select your text like this and by pressing the delete button in your keyboard. And another one is you can press delete key from your delete button in your keyboard. If you press your delete button like this, it will delete from your right side, and if you go by backspace, it will delete to your left side like this. Like this, you can delete your document or unwanted or error text using this cut copy paste method. Cut copy and paste method, it's here. Okay, let me delete something. Let me delete all this. Okay, I have deleted. I have only one page right now. Let me delete this one also. Now I have this text only. Select the file or text you want to copy. Copy, cut. This two is different. I'll tell you the difference. If you want to copy or if you want to make a duplicate of this text, the one which you have already selected, you have to select copy. And if you want to move the selected text to another position, then you have to press cut button. That is Control X, or for copy Control C, and paste is Control plus V. You can directly click on this dedicated button which is there in home tab, or you can press the shortcut button, a shortcut key from your keyboard. Select your text, copy, it will not delete it, go to the place where you want to paste and click on paste. This is copy and paste. And if you want to move, this replace text, then cut, it'll delete it, and here go to the place where you want to paste and paste. It will move from here to here. This is the difference between cut and copy. And with your choice or requirement, you can do this operation, cut and copy operation. Now the thing is clipboard. To open the clipboard, go to this here. While we are doing this cut and copy operation, it's been saved in this clipboard. If you want this multiple file that you have already moved or that you have already did cut copy, you can press it until unless you want it from here. So I want to replace, I want to type it again, this whole part replace thing. Then I can simply by clicking on here, it will paste my document. And if I want this, I can do like this, the one which I have deleted. So like this, by using this clipboard, I can do this type of features. It's your user choice that you want to use this one or you don't want. Find and replace. Let's see. Find and replace is very important. If you have if you have mistaken a word or a name, you want to change the whole document. It's not only 2 pages, or it may be like 50 pages and all. You want to change the whole word, then you can use this find and replace. Find what? So you want to replace this default word. Default. You want to replace the default with which word I need. Default with, let's change it. Tom. Find where. First one, if you want to replace all the document, you can simply by click on this replace all and it will replace the whole document. If you don't want to replace the whole document and you want to find the place where the default is and you want to change it with your choice, then you can go by clicking this find next and replace. Find, if I don't want to change this one, then I will go find next. Again, where is it? Again, here is it by default. You want to change this one, then Tom. Finish search. There is no other default. Only this one. Finish. Only one default is left. So like this, we can use this find and replace button. Find and replace features in MS Word. It's very useful. Next one is spelling and grammar checking. Now I think there must be an error with the spelling and all. So that's why it's over here, blue, red, and many colors. First, we have to go to review tab and go to spelling and grammar check. Look here, grammar position. Did you want to change this capitalization, the grammar, and the hints are also given here. Okay, change it. Next. Okay, change it. Passive voice is there. So did you want to change it? Or if you want to just ignore it, ignore. So like this, it will help you in your correcting your document with the spelling and grammar mistake. And spelling and grammar mistake dialog box will appear there. The side of your, if I want to close this clipboard and close it. Red underline beneath your document means spelling error, and a green underline beneath your text is grammatical error, and blue underline means uh, spell but misuse of word. Where is the blue underline? The blue underline is there. Did you see any green? Okay, there is no green underline, only blue and red. So I'll tell you again, red underline means the spelling error, and green underline is for grammar error, and blue underline is for misuse of word. Here there are many errors in our document because we are just checking and copy paste some text for demonstration only. So like this, by using this spelling and grammar feature, we can check and we can ignore which one to ignore or which one to change, or if you want to add in your dictionary, then you can add it in your dictionary also. If there is an error, let's say, okay, I don't have this form is already there. Let's say Impala is also there. The sky is also there. I have already added in my dictionary, I hope so. So by using this spelling and grammar mistake, you can ignore if the word or the sentence or the spelling is correct, but you can ignore that, or ignore all. You can ignore all the sentences, all the mistake, and you can add a new word, or which is not in the dictionary. You can add a new word by, okay, this one is mistake. Double clicking, if there is no space, it's a mistake. So you can add this one in dictionary by right clicking above that one and add to dictionary here. So like this, you can add to the dictionary also. If this one I don't want to add in dictionary, so I will not add this one. So if there is a new word, then you can add to your dictionary also and change. If you want to change this one, you can click directly on here. So in this spelling and grammatical mistake, you can change. You can change to autocorrect also. Here, look here, ignore all, or add to dictionary, change all. Wherever you found this one, you can change all. If you select this change all, it will generate change. Wherever it finds, you double click. So like this, ignore all, ignore all, ignore. So like this, I'll ignore all my mistakes. Ignore. I'll select this one. Ignore that. Change. Ignore. So I'll delete some file. It's too much. Resume grammatical mistake here. Let's change this one. Change all. Ignore. 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 Now, spelling and grammatical mistake checking is finished and it's all correct. I have just ignored all the errors and it's good to go. Okay, now like this, all the mistake I have ignored. What is this? I don't know. You, and there are plenty of mistake in our document right now, but this is just a demo. And look here, if there is a mistake, look here, if there is a mistake while you are typing, you can, if you are in home tab also, if you don't want to go to the review tab, then you can directly do the spelling and grammatical mistake by right clicking on that error word like this. By right clicking on the error word above that word, you will find some spelling and grammar mistake, suggestion and all. Look here, add to dictionary and suggested word or ignore all. So I want the then I'll select this like this. So here comes to the end of our basic MS Word features. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. That's it.